Delete Kwai video talk, guys. Beauty. Leonardo Paiva is back with another video. In this updated video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to delete your video here in the Kwai app. If you like videos like this type here on my channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So come on, let's go. I'm going to log in here in my Kwai account. I'm already here on my Kwai account. Guys, you're going to click down here in profile, and here you're going to choose the video that you want to delete. So I'm going to choose here the video that I want to delete. Then guys, you're going to click here on the share option like this. Okay, I want to delete. I don't want to share here, guys. Exactly the same. You're going to click here and share. It's going to give you options to share your video. You're going to look for the option here, guys, under delete. So it's going to be here, delete. Just click on delete and click here on delete to delete your Kwai video. Got it? Put it down there in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm staying around. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.